Hello friends, in this one I'm showing you how to fix your Rustdesk connection issues. So if you're trying to remote into a computer with Rustdesk's app and keep getting stuck on not ready, please check your connection or any other failures or errors. Don't worry and let us fix them. So firstly guys, make sure that Rustdesk is running as a permanent background service with full administrator privileges. So how do we do that, guys? So if you just download the executable, and as you can see, I just have as executable, I just run it and it starts automatically. So if you're doing this, you need to install the app properly, right? So in my case, it's kind of like using the portable version of the app, so it's not really installed. So in order to do that, guys, just press install right over here, okay? And then when you're running it for the next time, just make sure to go to the settings when you get your desktop shortcut created for Rustdesk. Go to compatibility and make sure to run it as administrator, okay? Press apply, okay, and then just go ahead and start the app. Also guys, make sure to understand that sometimes your Windows Defender firewall might be blocking it, so you need to allow this app through firewall. So how do we do that? So you open your firewall settings here right now, actually this one guys, okay? Make sure to open this up. Then you go to allow an app to or feature through firewall, then change settings, then choose allow another app, then choose browse and choose your executable or shortcut from the desktop. So in my case, I just allow Rustdesk right here, press add. And next to it, allow private, both private and public, you can actually disable this, press OK. That's it. So try these out guys. If this was helpful, leave a comment and subscribe.